This is just a follow-up video to go over a couple of things that I didn't cover on my recent videos about the GoToChannel extension. Just remember, this extension is not perfect, so don't expect it to be. It can be glitchy at times. I've found it to glitch more on the live chat replays than the live streams, but hopefully in time, with new updates, it will improve. It's better than not having an option at all. If you're watching this video and you're not familiar with the GoToChannel extension, please go watch my last two videos so you can catch up on what I'm talking about. Okay, there's a few things that I didn't show you in my last videos. I'm going to go over to a couple of chat replays from earlier live streams. Superdale, Mark, who is Next Level Tech, and Stephen Cornelius. Hopefully they won't mind me using their live streams as an example. If so, they can let me know and I would be happy to remove this video. So I showed you in another video how this extension would look when you install it and how to customize the highlight colors. For instance, whatever highlight color you chose for your channel name is the color it will be in a live chat. But when you go back to a live stream replay, it will be the same colors as the other highlighted colors. Now, when it comes to members and super chats, I'm going to go to another live stream because Superdale doesn't have membership enabled on his channel. But I want to show you this because this is the way to go to their channels even though their names are not highlighted. Let me go to a live stream. You can see there's my name again, and it's highlighted in the same color as the other channel holder names. Okay, for a member, as you can see, I can't click on that person's name, but you can highlight their name, right click, and where it says go to their channel and that person's name, you can go to their channel that way. And for super chats, you can use the same method, highlight their name, right click, and go to their channel this way. Sometimes even the member's name will be highlighted. In this case, it's not, but sometimes it is. I'm going to click on a name and show you. You can also go to a person's name that's already highlighted and go to their channel using that same method. Highlight their name, right click, and click go to channel. And sometimes when you start up a live stream, or maybe even during a live stream, you might get a stray like this one in the chat that's not highlighted. You can also manually highlight that channel name and go to that channel the same way. The extension will still work even if their name is not highlighted. And regarding the host of a live stream, It's my understanding that they will have to manually highlight the channel themselves. I've not tested it though because I've never done a live stream, but I believe that's the way it works. One more thing I want to mention is remember that the GoToChannel extension is available through the Chrome web store, and you need to use the Chrome browser. When you search for the extension, be sure and type GoToChannel with no spaces. I am still going to test the method to get it on your mobile device, which I believe you have to use a different browser, but I will do a separate video for that because I don't want this one to be too lengthy. So I am going to end this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.